Hi Crystal, hope you're doing well. So this is the file that I'm kind of planning to give you. As I mentioned, I've added the team mapping right here, and then so when you go ahead and import the data, this would automatically get updated in the raw data in this section, and then all of these ones with the formula will automatically get updated as well and remove the duplicates. So that's what we tested earlier. In terms of the dashboard, so this is the full dashboard that I have. So I'll just go through that momentarily. So starting with the thing. So this is kind of very dynamic dashboard. So if you go ahead and click on any of the details, it's just going to go back and tell you what is what and everything. So you can do multi selects as well. So let's say you want to go ahead and see for team 1 and show only 2021, you can see that as well. And then this is some of these, we have two filters as I mentioned: month closed was and then rented. So some of the slices will work on some of the the items like charts. The other ones will not be there, so which means that if in case you you know see like the rented ones not working on the LB ones, please understand that's pretty much the request. I mean, like, how it works. So even if let's say you were to go ahead and click on this, all of these will automatically work as well. So let's say you want to click on team 1 and see what it is. The total of the overall total will be there. So basically, if you go ahead and see only Jan, you can see that amount getting updated. So pretty much how it actually works. So let me know if there is any thing that is kind of needed. So I've added like monthly, yearly, rental monthly, and then rental yearly, team contribution, team rentals, team LP with a split in here, and then the year team, I mean yearly team, like split up, and then yearly rental as well. And then we have a monthly team rentals as well, like split ups. And then this one is your buyer thing, so that gives you like a LP as well. This one is your buyer rental, and this one is your listing agent. I know we have a lot of data for this one. And then this one is the last of all. So yeah, so I'm assuming that the data whatever you have is going to be manageable, because you can see that it's nothing to do with Excel. It will still work if you have more data. It's just that I'm getting a little conscious, like for this one. So this will get a little cluttered, so you may want to import less data, like if you have a lot of them. And if you still have challenges, probably you'll have to use the zoom levels, and then increase the column width like that, so that you can see it better and so on. So it's pretty much how you're going to use it in your thing, and depends on the data part of it. So let me know if this works. And so yeah, thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.